And Instagram is very powerful as a tool as well. Over as a platform, it's a very powerful platform. People are not just there, but Instagram has this amazing thing, which means that people are mostly there, which means they're spending most of their time on Instagram. We're gonna do Instagram DMs today, and I'm not gonna teach you how to do Instagram DMs because it's something that I've already done in a way. Now the real challenge is, what are you going to write? Okay, so we're gonna do a scenario wherein you're gonna put it on the chat that what is the DM going to be like when you connect with somebody. Okay, what is the DM going to look like? Now, good thing about this is nobody gets to speak. Nobody wants to speak, but you all have to be very active over the chats. So when I ask you, I'll be asking you a certain kind of thing. Everybody gets to participate because I want everyone to kind of send that kind of a thing to me. I mean, over the chat, so that I get to know that what all have you. Are you correct? Are you incorrect? Is your Instagram DM strategy good, bad, ugly? So however it is, we're going to work around that. Okay. So one thing to understand out here is that uh, during Instagram DM is a very powerful strategy. You must have heard this, that be present where your target group is, and I think we all can agree that Instagram is where almost everyone's present today. You know, everybody's present on Instagram, and Instagram is very powerful as a tool as well. Over as a platform, it's a very powerful platform. People are not just there, but Instagram has this amazing thing, which means that people are mostly there, which means they're spending most of their time on Instagram. Do you agree that people actually spend a lot of time on Instagram over any other social media platform? Do you agree? And that's what I'm trying to say. So if a person's spending so much time on Instagram, 8 to 10 hours approximately, on an average, a normal person spends. Is it not fair that we need to know how to leverage clients from such a platform, which people are spending so much of time together? So we're going to practice what kind of a DM strategy do you go for, and I'm really super excited to get through that. Where's my phone? Ah. So we're gonna try that today, and we're gonna understand first of all, how to do it all. यहीं से करें कि कहाँ से करें? Oh, I'll do this thing. I'll take this off so that it's better. Okay. So this is Instagram out here. Firstly, do you guys know how to search for the right kind of client? Are you guys aware about that? Put it on the chat if you know. What is the method? Tell me. Now I want to look for a client. What do I do? Suggest something on the chat. I'm looking at the chat box, guys. Somebody search hashtags. Search with location. Okay. Search for cafe if you're interested in cafe business with location or hashtag. Search by profession. ठीक है, अभी कैफे इन्होंने बोल रखा है तो कैफे करते हैं. Are you saying I need to search cafe top में, इसमें accounts में, tags में, which one? Name of cafe or of your city. Okay. और क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग यहाँ पे? Accounts. Okay, accounts में cafe. चलो ठीक है. If you go to accounts, cafe zero, cafe IB, cafe makeup, rebound cafe, etc. तो ये सारे खुल रहे हैं. चलो, let me pick up a certain kind of cafe. Do not go for a cafe like Cafe Coffee Day because it's going to be too big for you. So let's try to understand what are we going to do. So let's say Cafe Zero we went, and it's an Almora. Yeah, this is the cafe. After any 2-3 cafe search, you will get recommendations and we will do an audit. ठीक है, fine, good. चलो, so यहाँ पे हमने देखा Cafe Zero. First of all, when it comes to cafe business is very small. Okay, so usually cafes, unless they have several branches, they don't have a lot of money. Okay, so if they have just one branch, I'm telling you, at max they'll spend 10-15 grand, 20-25 if they're a little bigger. But they don't usually spend more than that unless the revenues are crazy. Because cafes, the revenue you can expect anywhere between, if it's a non-liquor cafe, they make somewhere around 5 lakhs as revenue. If it's a liquor cafe, then it can make quite high. It can make up to even 50 lakhs per month revenue. So there it can still get better. But when it comes to these cafes, ये थोड़ा सा हम वहाँ फंसने वाले हैं. ठीक है? So here what we're doing essentially is, so we have gone to cafe and accounts पे चले गए, यहाँ लगा cafe IV भी है. So cafe IV we can see 2,682 followers, 152 following. This is in Landor, Can, Char Dukan. So it's majorly, I think, taken my Dehradun location, not my Noida location right now. So Dehradun ke accordingly, you can see there's some celebrities that we can see here. Okay. Yeah. You can see some celebrities that they've posted photos of. Okay. We'll actually do a small audit here. So first of all, Cafe Ivy Landor, ठीक है. Facebook page है, ठीक है. They've got around 248, 249 likes. Here they have 2,000 something views. Here they have Jubin Nautiyal, 124, 125 views, 431 likes, 26 comments. Yeah. So they're doing actually a fine job. They're not doing a bad job at all. According to me, Cafe Ivy does well. So the thing is, it's doing so well that it hardly needs any help. But in case you think that they do need any help, okay, there are many methods. So there's a message feature, there is a call feature, so you get a call that you can call them at. Okay, all those things that are available here. Ab isme there are other ways also. Let's say location mein. Now I'm gonna put something like location. Turn on kar dete hain. By using ad near current location. ठीक है. So चलो 137 के आसपास. अब यहाँ पे I'll find several things. Top, recent. I'll find many things. Okay. So these are recent. Recent में what all things have been posted. मेरे location क्या रहा हूँ. You can even see businesses from here if you want. You'll be able to find some businesses and all also. बहुत rarely दिखेंगे क्योंकि ज़्यादातर तुम्हें photos वगैरह दिखेंगे. But you will find some businesses. For example, you can see all these cake and decorations. So Snicker_doodles here. You can see these. Okay, the cakes look pretty good. Pretty customized and fancy. 37 likes, 1 comment. 19 likes, 24 likes. The work looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. There is a market for it. And unfortunately, it doesn't feel like... Do you think that it deserves better? Based on this, let's see more. Do they have reels and everything also? Yeah, they have reels and everything. Yeah, so they're doing everything right in terms of social media, but they are not getting... They're probably not getting customers. There's no PP inquiries, nothing like that. It deserves much better, but it's home-based. Won't be able to pay much. Awesome cakes, not even 15K. That is true. It's home-based, is it? How do we know it's home-based? How do we know it's home-based? Delivery available. Yeah, whoa. How do we know it's home-based? _Snicker_Doodles. So we've gotten a WhatsApp message sort of a thing. ठीक है. How do we know it's FSSAI registered है ये? Snicker_Doodles. थोड़ा सा यहाँ research करेंगे हम. Snicker_Doodles. Yeah. Soft and thin. ये वो. Oh, this is United States, so that's not the thing. Top bakeries. ये वो. थोड़ा सा. My best recipe, soft Snicker_Doodles. Snicker_Doodles, I'm not quite sure how does it even pronounce. But I think it can do good, yeah. It's not bad. We're not quite sure about it being home based. How do you agree? Like, there's a WhatsApp link, not any address of the cafe. It is startup kind of bakery owner, especially if startups try not to go for social media marketers. That is true. As I said, they will not be able to spend a lot. They'll be able to spend very tiny. You can expect, if it's home based, you can expect anywhere around 5 grand from them. I'm 99% sure with my intuition. Good. That's very good. So if your intuition says that it's a home based business, so I'm talking about around 5 grand for people who want to just begin with them. Okay? So you can get them quite easily because you can connect with them quite easily, right? I mean, the email is right here, the WhatsApp is right here, so it's very easy to connect with such people. ये हो गए आपके basic, what do we call it, around, यहाँ भी देख सकते हैं हम, is there any, not this, is there any fitness का location here? Usually you get all that. So Cafe 137, here they've got cafe137.com, food looks fine, do a small Zomato check, 18 likes, 23 likes, no comments. Okay, they might need help. And it's a cafe, it's got a proper address and everything. Chances are that it will need, some work. It may be able to spend around 5, 10, 15 grand approximately. थोड़े बड़े जगह देखते हैं now. Now let's look out for a little थोड़े बड़े और let's try to go for that. Okay, now for that we're gonna do a hashtag search. So let's try to do something like cafes of इस तरीके से cafes of India, cafes of Delhi. तो cafes of Delhi पे चलते हैं, ठीक है? So cafes of Delhi में जब हम जाते हैं, yeah, you'll find a lot of them. The food vlogger है ये तो, नहीं. We've got South Extension, Delhi cafes. We've got Unplugged Courtyard, Local Heights. ठीक है, भी बड़ा है. Olive Bar बड़ा है. What all things can we see? Altogether Experimental. Champa Gali, ठीक है. नहीं. These are because I already know these places, okay? Big Chill and all, I know these places. So, Rustique, I am not quite sure about this place. So, Rustique, do they even have a social media page? Why can't I see Rustique? View information, Rustique, there it is. Okay, so 2,784, something like that. It feels like they already have a social media manager. If you look at it, clearly they have a social media manager. So, this will not work out. They have a social media manager. So, you see, kitne cheezein to is already taken. London Street, 47, okay, 906 followers. London Street Cafe and Bar. The moment bar comes in, by the way, there's a very good chance they have somebody. They have good budget. Again, it feels like they have someone, but are they doing a good job? Let's try to check that out. 9 likes, they've got 11 likes, they've got 213 likes, 18 likes. Yeah, they might have someone, but I don't think they're doing a great job, to be honest. So it's a good creative team, but they need somebody who can actually get some results, which I feel is lacking. यहाँ थोड़ा सा you can look around that. अब now चलो इस तरीके से you can find many other places. You can select cafes of whatever, like place like that. So whatever place that you want to put. अगर cafe नहीं करना, so you could put hashtag if you want to go for the fitness industry, right? Hashtag gyms of. A good thing about gyms is that you can literally go for any gyms. So gyms of India चले गए, for example, ठीक है ना? Now gyms of India में you'll be able to find, for example, ये है Rambo Strength है. Now 1055 followers, ठीक है. गुजरात में है 768 views, 2 comments, 498 views. Do they have a social media? They may have one, but it's not clear. Okay, so they do need help. Again, you can connect with them. So इस तरीके से you can actually find out a lot of information as to how to find the right kind of audience. No, sorry, prospect. अच्छा ठीक है, you found the right place, everything is done. What to do now? Okay, what do you actually send? So let's try to understand that. And let's say I'm giving you a brand. Okay, I'm right now giving you a brand, and the brand is अभी के अभी फटाफट मैं सर्च करके बता देता हूँ. Yeah, the brand is this brand only. Okay, Rambo Strength. This is the one, Rambo Strength. Can you see this? Rambo Strength. This is the brand. You have to connect with them. What are you going to write? What's going to be your strategy? I would love for you to put it on the chat now. What is the first message that you're going to send to them? Come on, guys. This is the platform. Go ahead. Most people get it wrong. And I'll tell you the strategy, how you do it. First of all, you make a list of around 50 people every day. पहले list पूरा बना दो. पूरा list बना देना पहले. After creating the list, start sending messages. Harman, hello. I hope you're doing great and having an awesome day. Just connected with you a few days back. I watched your profile. You provide fitness equipment. I like your equipment. It's horribly wrong. It's horribly wrong in every way possible, Harman. So I will tell you, and it's very good that you're sharing it here. Because had you not shared it here, probably you would be using the strategy to go out there and it would not have worked and you would have been like Instagram DM se kuch nahi hota. Firstly, you wrote a hello with a small h. Second, you put hello, comma, next line. This is not an email. It's a message. Message hum ek hi line mein likhte hain, right? We never do that. So that's the second thing. Thirdly, you're talking too much about that. I hope you're having a good day and having an awesome day. Just connected with you a few days back. I watched your profile. You provide fitness equipment. I like your equipment. It feels like you're a customer. You know that you want their equipment. So no. Lokesh, hey, I love your fitness equipment. Yeah. So you're saying that you're going to say something like that and then they're going to respond to that? Maybe. But it's not giving a very clear picture here. Ritvik, hey, great to see such a wide range of quality equipments that you deal with. Especially your TheraTubes have so good ratings, such good ratings on Amazon. They surely deserve a wider customer base. I like the precise pay part. There's no doubt about that. It's pretty good. They surely deserve a wider consumer base. By saying that, you're assuming that they're not having a good consumer base. So, that's again a little bit refraining. But it's a good try. Tell me the objective. What is the objective? Grab attention with praise? No. To get a reply. Nice page. I was going through these posts of yours. Yes, it is to get a reply. So majorly the goal is so that we get a reply from them, because once we get responses from them, then we get into their primary DM rather than their secondary DM, right? We want to go into the primary inbox. Harman is saying that, are you converting your visitors into customers? This is so cool. This line, sorry Harman. So this is actually really, really good. I really like it. I really like that line. Are you converting visitors into customers? That's such a brilliant approach, because this is a very subtle way of saying that there are funnels and I can help you in creating funnels. And she's directly asking a question. Hello, I'm recently excited to tell you that I am health conscious since my childhood and I love your work towards fitness awareness. Again, Lokesh, no. The entire concept is wrong. Samjho. What you're doing is, when you're writing something, you're writing because you're giving them a praise, chota sa praise, one-liner praise, and uske baad you want to talk about kuch to, so that they can respond to you. There is nothing that you've put in that sentence which makes them reply to your message. You have to do something related to that. I like the first part. Hey, a post of yours caught my attention, got me stalking your page. This is the first part. Ye to ban gaya. I'm not changing this. Mujhe acha laga. Isse badhiya kuch nahi laga abhi tak. So I'm definitely putting the first part of it. Are you struggling for customers? If yes, I can help you. I like that. That's still better. Harman, honestly, that is actually good. It's small, it's crisp, short, crisp, and it's fine. Are you struggling for customers? If yes, I can help you. Simple. But in order to do this, you need to have a very good portfolio, very good profile on your Instagram. So the moment they go there, they see your profile and they go like, okay, this person looks genuine, and yeah, let's do it. So if you have that, this message would work. Hey, a post of yours caught my attention and got me stalking your page. I'm curious about your business from Instagram. Are you converting your visitors? This is good. I like it. So you see now you guys are getting a hang of it, right? Are you supposed to send the first message? Tell me honestly, guys, how many of you actually sent a message? सही में भेज दिया क्या किसी ने? Anybody who's actually sent a message? I did. Sent long back. Mohita is already here. मैंने तो कर दिया. आज ये पेज बोलेगा कि यार ऐसा आज क्या हो गया यार, ऐसा हमने क्या किया आज, ऐसा कौन सा पोस्ट था? Everybody's got it. Okay, just for fun, I'm gonna post it too. ठीक है, let's just see. It's gonna be fun. Let's see. चलो सब करते हैं. They're gonna be like, ये क्या हो गया आज? What is wrong? What did we do today? Any which ways. So now you guys know how to send a DM. So now the other question is, अगर reply आया फिर क्या? अगर reply आया, when you get a response from them that yeah, we're interested, try a very simple thing. There are two options that you can do. Number one, you ask them for the best number and time. That's one method. Okay. Number two, you send them a meeting link. Okay. And while sending the meeting link, if you can, send them like a PS that I have worked with so and so that the credibility increases. You understand? Thoda sa talk a little bit about what's your credibility, what have you done in the past, how can you help them out, etc., etc. If you can, that'll be a very powerful method. Is it clear? So try to send that, hey, that's great. By the way, I've worked with clients so and so, and given them so and so results. Would love to connect with you. Kindly give me your best number and time.